So you know you're a teacher from the Midwest if you roll your eyes 15 times a day because you see 15-year-old boys wearing gym shorts when it's negative 15 degrees outside. You know you're a teacher from the Midwest when half your class is absent on opening day of hunting season. You know you're a teacher from the Midwest when you silently said the F word to yourself when you got to school early and then it was canceled because of a snow day. You take your students outside to read when it finally hits a balmy 50 degrees outside. You know you're a teacher from the Midwest when your staff potlucks consist of chili, bread, chili, tater tot hot dish, chili. You know you're a teacher from the Midwest when you don't allow soda in your classroom, but you do allow pop. You've taught your students how to play euchre. You don't bother dressing up for Halloween because you know you're just gonna be covered up by a parka anyway. When trying to quiet your class down, you've said things like, "Oh, for Pete's sake. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh, will I give you a detention?" You betcha. You know you're a teacher in the Midwest when trying to leave school one day after a really long day. You scrape off just a little bit of ice on your windshield thinking like, this is good enough, when really you knew you were risking your life. Your idea of a big field trip means going to the big city with your students and maybe checking out a museum. You know you're a teacher in the Midwest when you scoff at schools down south that closed because of a dusting. You know you're a teacher in the Midwest if even you're just a little excited for the Epic Teaching Workshop on November 11th in Grand Rapids, Michigan, the epicenter of Midwestern culture. Also the epicenter of the polar vortex, but it's worth braving so we can spend a really fun day together. Oofda.